Get more out of your tire production. More quality, more safety, less material. HFQ Guard sets new benchmarks in splice measuring through the entire building process. LED lights, ensuring highest accuracy by providing a huge amount of measuring points in a unique measuring process. Easy installation, simple in maintenance, full traceable documentation for each tire, with a system that identifies errors during the tire build. You get more productivity, digital data packages for each tire, and future-ready software updates. HFQ Guard, getting more out of the many tire building machines on the market.